Konti na lang, matatapos na natin ang ating 7 rules for a categorical syllogism. Konti na lang, matatapos na natin ang pag-aaral natin sa 7 rules of a categorical syllogism. We are on the 5th. Okay. Simple lamang itong pang-5, gaya ng pang-4. I-review natin yung 4th rule. Affirmative premises must have an affirmative conclusion. Yan ang number 4. Itong number 5 naman natin, 2 negative premises means invalid syllogism. So pagka yung major premise natin at yung minor premise natin ay parehong negative, nakitaan nyo kaagad ng no or not, invalid kaagad ang syllogism na yan. Okay? So let's take a look at the example. No engineers are scientists. Some nurses are scientists. Ergo, some nurses are not engineers. Now, let us take a look at the quality of the propositions in this syllogism. Again, the focus here is the quality. The first or the major premise, no engineers are scientists. This is an E proposition. It is universal and it is negative. What about the minor premise? Some nurses are scientists. It is an I proposition because it is particular and it is affirmative. And the conclusion, some nurses are not engineers. It is an O proposition because it is particular and negative. Now, just like what I said earlier, the focus here is the quality of the 2 premises, the major and the minor premise. If both are negative, automatically it is an invalid syllogism. But in this example, we have 1 negative premise and we have 1 affirmative premise. Is this in violation of rule number 5? No. Okay, ang violation lamang ay kung parehong negative ang ating propositions. Pero dito nakita natin malinaw, isa ay affirmative, isa ay negative sa ating premises. Kaya tama ito. Pagdating sa conclusion, anong i-carry? Affirmative or negative? Hintayin natin yung rule number 7. Doon natin sasabihin kung ano ang tamang i-carry na quality ng ating conclusion. Okay? Let's take a look at the other example. Makikita natin, no pharmacists are mathematicians. Some mathematicians are not architects. Ergo, some architects are not pharmacists. Now, let's take a look at the quality of the major premise. No pharmacists are mathematicians. The quality is negative because we see the signifier no. In the minor premise, some mathematicians are not architects. Nakita mo ulit yung word na not. So, negative ulit yun. Doon pa lamang, major premise negative, minor premise negative, kahit di mo nabasahin yung conclusion, alam mo nang invalid ang syllogism na ito. Okay? I hope this is clear to you. Okay? So, easy lang. 2 negative premises means invalid syllogism. Okay? And then, konti na lang, matatapos na tayo sa ating rules. Wait for the next video. We will be talking about the quantity naman of the premises. That's it for now.